In a stunning move that has sent shockwaves throughout the auto industry, Elon Musk has officially unveiled the long-rumored Tesla Model 2, and the price tag is even lower than anyone expected. Priced at just $10,759, this electric vehicle is set to break all records and redefine the entry-level EV market. For years, Tesla enthusiasts and skeptics alike speculated about when the company would finally deliver on its promise of a truly affordable EV for the masses. Now, that moment has arrived, and it's more groundbreaking than anyone could have imagined. Tesla's Model 2 isn't just another car, it's a revolution on wheels. At this price point, the Model 2 doesn't just compete with internal combustion engine vehicles, it obliterates them. With this announcement, Tesla isn't just aiming to dominate the EV market, it's going straight for total automotive supremacy. Let's break down what makes the $10,759 Tesla Model 2 so important. First, the price. Previously, Elon Musk hinted that Tesla was working on a smaller, more affordable car, often referred to as the $25,000 Tesla. But with advancements in production, battery chemistry, and supply chain efficiencies, Tesla has shattered that target and delivered a model that's priced well below anyone's expectations. By introducing a sub-$11,000 EV, Tesla has effectively changed the game for millions of potential buyers who were previously priced out of the EV revolution. In markets like India, Southeast Asia, South America, and even parts of rural America and Europe, where affordability is key, this car becomes a no-brainer. In fact, even traditional car manufacturers are scrambling to respond. This pricing destroys the idea that EVs are luxury-only products. The Model 2 now becomes not just a Tesla for the people, but possibly the car that replaces your old gas-powered Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla. The question is, how did Tesla make this price possible? The answer lies in a combination of innovation, vertical integration, and sheer engineering brilliance. Tesla has completely reimagined how cars are built. At the heart of the Model 2's affordability is the use of next-generation Gigacasting, massive die-casting machines that can create large parts of the car's chassis in a single piece. This drastically reduces the number of components, cuts assembly time, and minimizes complexity. Instead of thousands of parts, the Model 2's underbody is made of just a few large castings. This also improves structural integrity and crash safety. Combined with Tesla's fully integrated manufacturing approach, which includes in-house battery production, software, and drive units, the Model 2 is produced faster, cheaper, and with fewer supply chain risks. Now let's talk about the battery, a critical component for EV pricing. The Model 2 features lithium iron phosphate, LFP, batteries, which are more affordable, safer, and longer-lasting than traditional lithium-ion packs. Tesla's partnership with CATL and its ongoing efforts to localize battery production in its Gigafactories have allowed it to push battery costs down to record lows. Rumors have also circulated that Tesla is experimenting with sodium-ion batteries, which could bring costs even lower in future variants. While sodium-ion isn't confirmed for this particular version, the LFP packs alone already mark a significant leap forward in cost efficiency. The result is a real-world range of around 200 to 250 miles, which is more than enough for daily commuting and urban travel, making it ideal for city drivers and even fleet operators like Uber and delivery services. The Model 2 isn't just about affordability though, it's still a Tesla, and that means tech. Despite the price, the vehicle comes loaded with smart features, including a simplified version of autopilot, over-the-air software updates, and Tesla's signature minimalistic interior. Early prototypes show a futuristic, driver-focused cabin with a centrally mounted screen, similar to the Model 3 and Y, but even more streamlined. And yes, it's also rumored to use a steering yoke in some regions, though a standard version will likely be available for global markets. Tesla's advanced software architecture means the Model 2 can get better over time, unlocking features and performance enhancements with each update. Think of it like getting a smartphone on wheels, only now it costs less than most iPhones spread out over several years. The impact of this car cannot be overstated. With the Model 2, Tesla is no longer just an electric vehicle company, it becomes a mass-market mobility provider. At $10,759, the Model 2 undercuts even some of the cheapest gas-powered cars in the world. That means traditional automakers like Toyota, Hyundai, VW, and even budget-focused brands like Dacia and BYD must now rethink their entire business strategies. EVs were once thought to be expensive luxuries for wealthy urban drivers, but Tesla just flipped that narrative. And it's not just about affordability, it's about aspiration. This is the first EV that millions of people around the world can actually afford and want to drive. With its sleek design, quiet electric drivetrain, and low cost of ownership, it becomes the obvious choice over an aging gas car with maintenance headaches and rising fuel prices. Tesla's production strategy for the Model 2 is just as revolutionary as the car itself. Elon Musk has confirmed that the Model 2 will be built using Tesla's unboxed production method, which involves building sub-assemblies in parallel and snapping them together in a radically simplified factory layout. This results in lower costs, higher output, and faster scaling. The Model 2 will be produced in multiple global Gigafactories, including Giga Mexico, Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai, and Giga Texas, depending on demand and regional regulations. This decentralized manufacturing strategy allows Tesla to localize components, avoid tariffs, and reduce shipping costs, all contributing to the ultra-low price tag. And that's not all. There are strong indications that Tesla plans to use the Model 2 platform as the foundation for a whole new generation of vehicles, including a compact SUV and even a robotaxi variant. With Tesla's work on full self-driving, FSD, continuing to make progress, a $10,759 Model 2 could be the foundation for an affordable autonomous ride-hailing network. Imagine calling a Tesla robotaxi that costs just a few dollars for a ride, and knowing that the vehicle itself only cost a fraction of today's cars to manufacture. That future is no longer science fiction. It's on the horizon, and the Model 2 is leading the way. Consumer response to the announcement has been overwhelming. Online forums, Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube have exploded with reactions from excited buyers, many of whom say this is the first car they'll ever own. People who previously couldn't even consider buying a Tesla are now placing reservations and dreaming of electric ownership. Analysts predict that the Model 2 could become the best-selling car in the world, even surpassing the Toyota Corolla and Ford F-Series. And with Tesla's ability to scale production using automation and smart factory design, there's little doubt that this could happen within just a few years. Of course, the road won't be entirely smooth. Challenges remain, including raw material costs, competition from low-cost Chinese EVs, and global regulatory hurdles. But with this announcement, Elon Musk has shown that Tesla is willing to push the boundaries and defy expectations once again. The company has made the EV transition not only inevitable but also irresistible. The Model 2 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's proof that the future of mobility can be clean, affordable, and exciting for everyone, not just the elite. In conclusion, the Tesla Model 2 at $10,759 represents a seismic shift in the automotive world. It smashes the myth that electric cars have to be expensive. It opens the door to millions of new drivers, from students and young professionals to retirees and rideshare workers. And most importantly, it proves that Elon Musk and Tesla are still years ahead of the competition, not just in technology, but in vision. As Tesla ramps up production and deliveries begin, the entire industry will be watching, and reacting. One thing is clear, the age of the affordable EV has finally arrived. And it starts with the Tesla Model 2.